Hey everybody, welcome to Adam's Real Reviews. Today we have a damaged Tesla 3 Aero Rim that I ordered something called Sportline Tesla Wheel Touch-Up Paint for Model 3 Aero wheels. Before I got started, I did hit it with some 220 grit and 3000 grit wet sanded just to take the edges off of the damage and clean it up. And then from there, it gave me a point where I can start filling in the parts of the wheel, and my goal here is to reduce the look of the exposed metal on the rim, and hopefully find a paint match that I can use to just touch that up. In this case, I was able to again fill in the deeper gouges, and then what I ended up doing is I went around the rim in order to smooth the paint in the damaged area. That's what I'm doing here. I've had this paint on now for a few months and I've been very happy with it. It hasn't flaked off, it hasn't come off. Once it's dried and once I've put some miles on the wheel, sure the damage is there, but it's done a really good job of hiding it very well. I've been pretty pleased with that. And final steps here is I've been able to roll the wheel around, take a look at my repairs. Again, I was satisfied with this. You may want to look at more sanding. And in some cases, I found some spots that I'm going to need to go back in and touch up again. I will leave this paint touch-up in my links down below. Take a look. I'd recommend it. I think it was a good product to try. Thanks.